ThinkPad docking stations aren't always plug and play with Dell laptops due to differences in USB-C and power delivery standards. Lenovo docks often use proprietary charging methods that conflict with Dell's adherence to USB PD 3.1 standards. Display issues arise because ThinkPad docks use DisplayLink technology, which requires drivers, while Dell laptops prefer native DisplayPort alternate mode. Firmware and driver mismatches are the primary culprits behind these compatibility problems. Simply put, Lenovo uses its own standards while Dell follows USB standards, leading to conflicts. Determine what kind of USB-C ports your Dell laptop has to check DisplayPort alternate mode support. First, update your dock's firmware via Lenovo's website, even for Dell laptops. Enable DP Alt mode in your Dell's BIOS settings if available. Next, install Lenovo's DisplayLink drivers on your Dell system for video output. Use a high-quality USB-C cable with e-marker chips for best compatibility. For charging problems, ensure your Dell laptop supports the power output of the ThinkPad dock. If issues persist, consider a universal dock supporting both Thunderbolt and USB-C. Ultimately, proactively managing firmware and using certified cables are the keys to smoother connectivity. Using certified cables is important for your data to transfer correctly.